Welcome to this laboratory, CAD/CAM. Experiment number 1 is creation of 3D assembly model of flange coupling. We go for experiment. This is the image for flange coupling. These are the main 5 components of flange coupling. First one is flange. This one is flange. Second one is shaft. Third one is the taper key. Fourth one is hexagon bolt. Fifth one is hexagon nut. Now the flange coupling is a type of mechanical coupling used to connect two shafts. So the applications of flange coupling is in power transmission sector, transmit power between shaft, and industrial machinery used in the pumps, gearboxes and conveyors, and heavy duty applications is suitable for high torque loads. These are the applications for flange coupling. We draw the first part, flange. Select Creo-parametric. Open Creo-parametric software. File, new, view OK. Select the view, go for sketch. Select sketch view. And the first one is circle diameter is 190 and the extruded value is 20 mm. Select circle. This value is 190 and the extruded value is 20 mm. Give OK. So what is created? I select this surface, go for sketch, change the view, and next this circle value is 90 mm, 90 diameter, and extruded value is 55. Select the circle, diameter is 90, and the extruded value is 55. Give OK. And center key holes is there. Select the surface, go for sketch, and select circle. Select the circle. Circle diameter is 45. Give OK. Center key slot is there. Go for center rectangle. The value is 14. And this value is 9. And delete the remaining profiles. OK. And extrude, or the material is removed. So change the direction, move to up to last, give OK. Next, this part, select the surface, go for sketch, select sketch view. This part 4 holes is there. 4 holes diameter is 12 mm, and from center to holes distance is total 140. Between center to holes distance is 70. Select a circle. Distance is the holes diameter is 12. From center to hole center distance is 70 mm. Give OK. And go for extrude option. Give OK. holes is created. Now we draw another 3 holes. So go for last extruded portion and go for pattern option. Select the axis, select the center axis, give OK. Now the 4 holes is created. Now go for round, select the edges, give OK. Now the flange part is completed. Next video will be the shaft and shaft, key, nut and bolt.